नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या ह्या व्हिडिओमधनं आपण अँगल बायसेक्टर म्हणजेच कोन दुभाजक आणि परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ अ लाईन सेगमेंट रेषाखंडाचा लंब दुभाजक कशा पद्धतीने काढायचा हे आपण काळजीपूर्वक समजून घेणार आहोत. तेव्हा कुठेही जाऊ नका, प्रत्येक कृती काळजीपूर्वक बघा. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास आपल्या मित्रांना शेअर करा.
This is the angle bisector construction. An angle bisector constructs a line that cuts an angle into two congruent parts. So to start this construction, we need an angle. I'm going to construct an acute angle in the middle of my page. The angle bisector is going to go somewhere through the middle here. All the points on the angle bisector are equidistant from each side of the angle. So we know that it's going to go through the vertex, and we need one more point to determine this line. To find this point, we'll start by setting our compass so that it'll intersect both sides of the angle, and then drawing that arc. Now we've created two new intersections, here and here. And from those intersections, we're going to take our pointer, stab in, and draw arcs in the middle of the angle. One here, and one from the other side, so that those arcs intersect. Now this new point is equidistant from both this side and this side of the angle. To complete this construction, we use our straight edge to connect the vertex and this new point. Now we have two congruent angles bisected by this line. This video will show you how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a segment. You can use this construction to construct a 90-degree angle, and it also locates the midpoint of a segment. So you want to start with a segment somewhere in the middle of your page. So you have some space above and below. Remember that perpendicular means it's going to cross at a 90-degree angle, and bisect means that it's going to cut it into two congruent parts. First step is to take and set your compass so that it is more than halfway across the segment. I'm going to set mine about this much. I'm going to make an arc above and below the line with my point stabbed into one end point. I'm going to move my point to the other end point, stab it in, and make intersecting arcs above and below the segment. Then I use my straight edge, connect those two intersections, and that's my perpendicular bisector. This is a 90-degree angle, and this is the midpoint of this segment.